Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you can tell by the title, we are getting into Novex's newest collection, which is their coconut oil shampoo, conditioner, and deep hair mask that I got from them. I've been switching up my hair routine throughout each wash, just like with the products that I use, depending on what my hair needs and how the weather is outside. And this collection has been in the mix of all that too within the past couple of months. So I wanted to share with you guys what I think about it and all that good stuff. So before we get into today's video, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you know every time I upload. And let's get into today's video. So I have talked about Novex hair care products previously on my channel in like 2 other videos of different hair masks that they have and collections that they do have. And I'm going to link those videos down below for you guys if you are interested in checking those out as well. But today, the stars of the show are here, and they are the coconut oil collection that they have. It's like a Brazilian coconut oil that they came out with, and they have the shampoo, the conditioner, and the deep hair mask. So I did use all of these today, obviously, because why would I be talking about it if I didn't use it today? So it is very moisturizing to the hair, and I also took the deep conditioner and did that separately. I'm gonna insert a clip here and just like speed it up of me doing the hair mask. I first did the hair mask right when I woke up because I knew I was gonna wash my hair. So I put this in, separated my hair into sections just so I can easily get the hair mask in there. This is a coconut oil deep hair mask, and it is infused with Brazilian coconut oil. All the products are infused with the Brazilian coconut oil, and they're meant for nourished, smooth, and silky hair, which I can tell you is what happened when I do use this product. So while putting the hair mask in, I was already feeling the softness in my hair. And if you've used any of their other hair masks, they pretty much all smell the same, which it just has that nice fresh clean scent to it. So like I said, I just separated my hair into different sections just to make it easier and disperse the product evenly, and then just swooped it up into a little tight bun, and I left it on for about 30 minutes before I washed it out in my shower with like cold water. So like any other curly brand, one thing that I really love is that they are sulfate free and silicone free, and the conditioner is actually petroleum free as well. When looking for good hair products for your curly hair, you definitely want to go for the silicone free, the sulfate free, paraben free, all of those, because that's what's really going to treat your hair the right way. So Novex products haven't let me down yet, and this product here did not either. This collection smells super good. It comes in the same type of bottles that their last collection came in, the powerful charcoal collection, which that one that might be my go-to in the summer, because that stuff really just cleans your hair out so well. It makes it so soft. So this whole collection, it actually says on the bottle is that it is suitable for dry, rebellious, and frizzy hair. So if you're just going through that time that's just, you don't know what's up with your hair, you know why it's so frizzy and dry, and it could be the weather because it is winter outside, this collection right here is going to save your life with that. It's also enriched with pure coconut oil and vitamin E, so you're getting good nutrients going into your hair. You're not getting any of the bad chemicals and all that that can just further damage your hair, especially being that it is the winter time. It's colder outside, your hair needs more of the moisture. I always say this in all of my hair videos that you need moisture to keep your curls looking good, especially during this winter months. These products all smell so fresh, and that's one thing that I do love about Novex, is that their stuff smells super fresh and clean, and that's what you want in a product too. You don't want it to smell overly like hair producty, or like they're trying to cover up a scent with like too tropical. I don't know, I'm just personally not into like the super tropical smelling hair stuff, and you would think this smells super tropical just by like the packaging and stuff, but it still smells like their classic clean scents that I personally just really love. So back to the routine of it. When I took my shower and I washed out the deep hair mask, I already felt that my hair was super soft. Like, it's crazy how the amount of difference you feel, because when I had started my hair treatment for today, my hair was disgusting. It was nasty. It was frizzy. It was just dry. And it felt, ugh. And while I was on like the 5th day hair, I had wore it in a bun yesterday. So you know, it was just time to wash it. You will be so surprised at how soft and like easy it is to just comb through your hair after using just the hair mask. So then going in with the shampoo on top of that, well, like after you wash it out and then put the shampoo in. The shampoo is super silky for your hair as well. It's not like a typical drying out shampoo, which is something that you do need in the winter, because usually in the winter I will co-wash, so I'm getting that extra moisture. But with this shampoo, you don't really need to co-wash because it's like, it's already so moisturizing for you. And then washing that out with cold water and then going in with the conditioner afterwards, your hair is literally like the silkiest curly hair that it could be. I just love smelling them. Like, it just smells so clean and fresh. Like, I don't know what they use, how they do it, but Novex, they got it with the clean scents. So when I went in with the conditioner after the shampoo, I did leave it in my hair for a couple extra minutes. Like, I didn't just put it in, rinse through it, and then rinsed it out. I left it in for, I would say, maybe like 2 to 5 extra minutes just to give it that extra moisture and softness that I wanted. And it really made the biggest difference in my hair when I did wash it out. I was like, wow, that's something different right there. So if you guys are looking for a really good shampoo, conditioner, whole little set for the winter time, because you want to have that moistured hair and have it looking the best that it can be and not frizzy, then definitely check these out. I will have it linked down below, the website, so you can directly go purchase these. So I highly recommend using Novex products if you are very interested in getting your hair nice and moisturized and all that, especially their hair mask. This hair mask is super little and cute, but as you've seen in my previous videos, or if you know Novex products, some of their hair masks could be like this big. So I don't know if this is just like a special one, or if they do come in this size as well, or if this one comes in the big one as well. I would have to double check on that. But their hair masks are so good, especially for the winter. You guys won't regret getting them. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button before you leave. You made it to the end of the video, you might as well just subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know every time I upload. Follow me on my Instagram, and I'll see you all next time.